Bro, I'm playing Subway Surfers. This is my first video on my second channel. I want to get some subscribers because I'm successful. And after I make 2 videos, I will show everyone my second channel. Oh, this is so cool to do. Let's jump. My videos will be better than this. So I want to be successful on this channel as well. My brother's channel has 2 channels, so I want to get 2 channels. But his last channel, he actually had 3 channels, bro. That's so cool. But his first channel was deleted, so he made a second channel. It was Mr. Cool Brother, and now he cannot find the email. And he made this video. Just watching. If you hear a noise, he's just watching something. This is going. I don't know why he said that. But this is my account. Let's find a thing. So this will be easy. Strange. Oh. Psychopath. Oh. I almost turned into a psychopath of screaming. Boom. Ba-ba. When this goes to 50,000, I will end the video because I feel so bored. And I will still make some. Ooh. Yeah. The hell? Stupid ads. I like the sound. Nice. What is wrong? Turn on. Is it the mode on? This ad is so bad. Thank you. And goodbye.